Review of the Mini Bluetooth 5.0 Power Amplifier, Stereo. If you're looking for a compact, powerful, and versatile audio solution, the Mini Bluetooth 5.0 Power Amplifier, Stereo is an absolute game changer. This little device packs a punch, delivering exceptional sound quality, seamless connectivity, and a level of convenience that makes it a must-have for audiophiles, casual listeners, and tech enthusiasts alike. After spending some time with this amplifier, I can confidently say it's one of the best investments I've made for my audio setup. Design and build quality. The first thing that stands out about this amplifier is its sleek and compact design. It's incredibly small and lightweight, making it perfect for those who need a portable audio solution or have limited space. Despite its size, the build quality feels solid and durable. The brushed metal finish gives it a premium look, and the buttons and knobs are well placed and responsive. It's clear that a lot of thought went into the design, ensuring it's both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity. The inclusion of Bluetooth 5.0 is a standout feature. Pairing the amplifier with my devices was effortless, and the connection remained stable even at a distance of over 30 feet. The improved Bluetooth technology ensures low latency, making it ideal for watching movies or playing games without any noticeable audio lag. Additionally, the amplifier supports multiple devices, so switching between my phone, laptop, and tablet was seamless. Sound quality. For such a small device, the sound quality is nothing short of impressive. The amplifier delivers crisp, clear, and well-balanced audio across all frequencies. The bass is punchy without being overpowering, the mids are detailed, and the highs are sharp but not harsh. Whether I was listening to music, watching movies, or playing games, the audio experience was immersive and enjoyable. The amplifier supports stereo output, and the soundstage feels wide and dynamic. It's perfect for small to medium-sized rooms, and it can easily drive bookshelf speakers or even more demanding setups. The built-in digital signal processing, DSP, ensures that the audio remains distortion-free even at higher volumes. Versatility and features. One of the things I love most about this amplifier is its versatility. It's not just a Bluetooth amplifier. It also supports auxiliary input, USB, and TF card playback. This makes it incredibly flexible for different use cases. I've used it to play music from my phone via Bluetooth, connected it to my TV via the AUX input, and even played tracks directly from a USB drive. The inclusion of a remote control is a nice touch, allowing me to adjust the volume, skip tracks, or switch inputs without having to get up. The amplifier also features EQ controls, which let you fine-tune the sound to your preferences. Whether you want more bass for a party or a flatter response for critical listening, the options are there. The LED display is bright and easy to read, showing the current input source, volume level, and other settings. Ease of use. Setting up the Mini Bluetooth 5.0 Power Amplifier was a breeze. The instructions were clear, and I had it up and running in minutes. The intuitive controls and straightforward interface make it accessible even for those who aren't tech-savvy. The amplifier also has a low power consumption mode, which is great for energy efficiency. Portability. Thanks to its compact size and lightweight design, this amplifier is highly portable. I've taken it with me to friends' houses, outdoor gatherings, and even on trips, and it's performed flawlessly every time. The ability to power it via a 12V DC adapter or a car charger adds to its portability, making it a great option for road trips or camping. Value for money. Considering its features, performance, and build quality, the Mini Bluetooth 5.0 Power Amplifier offers incredible value for money. It's priced competitively, and when you factor in its versatility and sound quality, it's a steal. Whether you're upgrading your home audio system, building a DIY speaker setup, or looking for a portable solution, this amplifier delivers on all fronts. Final thoughts. The Mini Bluetooth 5.0 Power Amplifier. Stereo is a fantastic piece of audio equipment that punches well above its weight. It combines cutting-edge technology, exceptional sound quality, and user-friendly features into a compact and stylish package. Whether you're an audiophile, a casual listener, or someone who just appreciates good sound, this amplifier is sure to impress. I highly recommend it to anyone looking for a reliable, versatile, and high-performing audio solution.